Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use pigment on eyes. First, always begin with a clean, primed eyelid. Applying an eye primer creates a smooth base, helping your pigment adhere better and last for many hours. Use a flat, dense brush to gently press the pigment onto your lid, building up the color in thin layers. This technique ensures maximum color payoff and minimizes fallout, giving you a vibrant, professional finish. Understanding your pigment type is key. Loose pigments deliver intense vibrancy and can be used wet for a foiled effect or dry for a softer look. Pressed pigments, on the other hand, are more compact and offer easier application with less mess. For blending, a fluffy brush is your best friend. It helps diffuse harsh lines, creating a seamless gradient between colors, which is essential for a polished eye makeup look. Ready to elevate your eye looks? For a stunning metallic finish, simply dampen your brush with a setting spray before dipping it into your pigment. This intensifies the shimmer dramatically. To achieve a sharp cut crease, first define your desired shape with a creamy concealer, then carefully press your chosen pigment over it. For precise lower lash line application, a small, angled brush works wonders, adding definition without harshness. To ensure your beautiful eye pigment lasts all day, a final mist of setting spray is crucial. This helps lock everything in place, preventing creasing and fading for up to 12 hours. Remember to avoid touching your eyes, as this can transfer oils and disturb your makeup. When it's time to remove your look, always use a gentle, oil-based makeup remover. This effectively dissolves pigment without harsh rubbing, protecting your delicate eye area.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.